Anthony, you don't want to do the cable one?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
But why not?
Because I don't want to.
You don't want me to record you? You don't want me to record you?
No.
Are you mad because I'm mad about the seal?
Yes, that's the nature of life. You're crazy, girl.
But the poor seal, what about its family?
It probably doesn't have a family because of those whales.
You think the whale...
All the killer whales.
So the killer whales killed the family?
Could have.
So, who cares?
Yes, that's the nature of life. Who cares about the animals? You should care about your life.
Okay. Poor seal.